This question is two-sum to input array sorted. So this is pretty similar to the LeetCode 1, which is the first question in the LeetCode. It's going to be two-sum. And then what you need to do is you want to return the indices of two numbers. And then the array is already sorted, so you don't care about it. So I'm just stop coding and then you'll be able to follow along. Like this should be straightforward enough. So in this solution, I'm using a hash map. And later on, I'm using a two-pointer, so hash map, and then key is going to be represent numpy, and then value is going to represent the index. And then if I cannot find, I'm going to return null, but we will definitely find one, right? Because there's at least one answer in the nums array. So for int I equal to 0, I less than nums.length and I plus plus. So we need to traverse based on the index because we need to put the index in here. So I'm going to say map.put nums I comma I, right? So this is how you should place in the map, because later on you want to just return the indices, right? And indices is what? The value. So how do I get this number? So 9 minus 7, you will get 2, right? So you say int complement something like this, target minus nums I. So if you can find it in the map, and then you will just have to return new int, and then so first index is what? It's going to be complement index, right? So it's going to be map.get second index is going to be yourself, right? 7, which is going to be I. However, this indices is what? Base 1 index, so it's not starting from 0, it's starting from 1. So basically you just have to put like this. Oh, come on. Cool. So time and space is straightforward enough. All of them for space, all of them for time. Let's talk about two-pointer solution. So two-pointer solution might be faster. It doesn't matter. But for worst case, they are still going to be the same. So I'm going to have a pointer in the beginning and the end. So I'm going to say, if I subtract, so numsci plus numj, I will get a sum. So 2 plus 15, I will get 17. So I'm going to make sure like 17 is what? Close to 9, right? If not, so there are 3 conditions. If 17 equal to target, is 17 less than target, if 17 greater than target, right? So there are three kind of possible way, right? So if this, then you can just return what? I and j, right? And if this, I'm going to just what? Increment my I to make sure I'm closest to what? To the, so this is a sum, so sum equal to target, right? Sum less than target, sum greater than target. So if sum is less than target, I'm going to just increment my I to make sure I need to get closest to target, right? So yeah, let's start it. So I equal to 0, j equal to numbers of length minus 1, and then we don't need to return the same index value, so it's going to be less than. So again, if you cannot find it, I'm going to return null. Alright, so I'm going to say int sum equal to numbers I plus numbers j. So if sum is equal to target, return new int I plus 1, j plus 1, right? It's base index 1, right? Alright, so next is if sum is less than target, else, right? So sum is less than target, which means number is too small. And then this is starting from the biggest one, this is starting from the smallest one. So you want to say I plus plus. For the less than, and then greater than, you want to say j minus minus. Okay, so this is a solution. So yeah, if you want to average this, this might be faster than hash map, because hash map is traversing from the beginning all the way to the end, and this one is you're trying on both indices and then trying to make sure like if there is a one possible answer for you to return. Alright, so for the worst case, they are still going to be the same. Space is constant, time is all of n, but average is going to be log n because you are cutting into half every single time. Anyway, alright, if you have a question, leave a comment, and see you next time. Bye.